Now, by far, this is my favorite way to make money online. So if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you promote a product or a service that someone else created, and for every sale that you generate, you earn some sort of commission. All right. Now, there are tons of things that you can be an affiliate of, right? So you can start with places like clickbank.com, digistore24.com. You could be an affiliate of Amazon. Damn near anything has some sort of affiliate program. So I highly suggest, when you just get started with affiliate marketing, find things that you have an interest in, right, to promote. Because when you have an interest in what you're promoting, it makes it super easy to promote. All right. One more thing, if you can find affiliate programs that have some sort of recurring income, that is the ultimate. All right. Because basically all you got to do is sell something one time and you're going to get paid month after month, year after year. I am all about recurring income. Now, once again, if you want to see how I make money online every single month, check out the link in the description.